Welcome to Meatloaf Wars, or hashtag Meatloaf Wars at Lala Farms?
Homestead.
Homestead, yes. Lala Homestead, that's right. Okay, so they think they have a meatloaf. You haven't had a meatloaf yet, let me tell you. I'm going to make the most incredible meatloaf. I've got 1 pound of lean beef and 1 pound pork. Hamburger. So I've got this here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start put my, first of all I'm going to spread my onions around in there.
How many onion?
I've just a half of an onion.
Okay.
Of a medium onion.
Diced fine?
Diced like McDonald's would on their burgers. And then I'm going to put in a splash of garlic powder. There's a size there. Just enough to give it a good taste. There we go. That's enough. Yeah. Well, it's Italian, right? Hey. Now some pepper. Well, you want the best, you have to use the best. Some pepper in there. It's got to be good. Oh, I know what I forgot. One more ingredient. So just a pinch of hot sauce to give it that flavor. There we go. And then we crack 1 egg in there. Shell and all. No, I'm kidding.
That would be your binder?
That's my binder. And that's just a hint of soya to tenderize the meat.
Nothing's coming out.
It will. I just got to be careful. Oh, I don't want to spit a lot. A little bit more. Oop. Frig, I can never do that right. And then
that's right in the camera.
Oh, the word that nobody can say, Worcestershire sauce. There, that's beautiful. Now we're going to put in a little bit of salt. I don't want a lot of salt in there because it's a Himalayan salt. Then I'm going to put in some steak spice. Just enough to shake it on there. There. That'll give it. And then some bread. Soak it in milk.
2 slices of bread you used and a 1/4 cup of milk.
And a 1/4 cup of milk. There we go.
That's going to be a fun mess. Oh, that's in the way.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to get a spoon. Just going to mix it up a bit. Yeah, no, I'll get that. And then that's the secret ingredient. I'm not showing them yet. And then we're going to put a can of peas in it. No, I'm kidding. Oh, can you imagine?
Yeah, you'd be eating alone.
No kidding. Oh yeah.
Nothing beats getting in there with your hands and mixing it up.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet. Now we're going to put the ketchup in, because every meatloaf has ketchup. Probably about 1/2 cup, I'd say. Whoops. There we go.
Not many people know, but you can actually overmix your hamburger meat. It can make it tough.
Yeah. And then, now, secret ingredient. You got it.
What is it? Half a cup.
Half a cup of what are these noodles called? Elbow noodles?
Elbow
noodles.
macaroni.
Macaroni, yes. So I'm going to steer this in for a bit.
And half a
then
cup.
half a cup of cheese as well, but I'm going to stir the macaroni in first.
Look how tiny he's cut the cheese.
Who cut the cheese?
I was waiting for that.
Oh my God, that feels so gross.
Want me to pour the cheese in?
Well, yeah, I don't think I'm going to do it. No, I can do it.
First time he made this with the macaroni in it, I thought, okay, are you strange? But it was good. It was good.
I am strange. People
It worked.
are strange when you're a stranger. This is the way my mom used to make it. I've always liked it.
She always put the macaroni in?
She put macaroni in. I thought she was crazy until I tried it. It's good. I mean, it's good. It's good.
Enough to win the war.
Yes, that was during the war.
No, enough to win the war.
That was in the World War II.
Oh my God, it's going right over his head.
I know.
Meatloaf war.
Oh yes, this war. Yes, La La Land. Look at. You know what? In Curtis, where is it? In near. Near the sandbanks. What's that town called?
Picton?
Picton. There's a farm actually called La La Land.
Yeah, there is actually.
I always thought there was a lot of illegal activity going on there.
You gonna plop it on there?
Yeah, I will. Okay, ugh.
Oh, don't touch my stuff. Just plop it on there and mold it.
Well, yeah, okay, but I just wanted to get it out of the way.
Ew, he's touching it.
We can. Oh, I never put that in. Dang.
Ooh, he's touched it now.
I just need a little bit of parsley, by the way.
Get it to the opening.
I'm trying to. I know what's going to happen. My hand will go all crazy on me. There. I might have to wash this.
Oh, I think so. Since his strokes, whenever he tries to shake anything out of any...
my hands go crazy.
It's actually funny.
Good bitch. It's not funny.
Oh, it is. There you go.
Okay, now we got the oven at 350. That's one little ball. There we go. Whoa.
That's going to be a nice big meatloaf.
It's gonna, better call Renee. He'll want it.
You might want to do it the other way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Well, there's much more to come. Why am I making it this big? Because we have 40,000 people to feed. Not really, but I mean.
Leftovers are amazing.
When it's meatloaf, you can have meatloaf sandwiches.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's nothing better than that. Even though I don't like leftovers, this I can stomach.
Okay, give me that bowl. Get it out of your way so you can shape that into the middle of the pan.
Yep, I will.
That's gonna be nice.
That's a big meatball. Isn't that right, honey?
Should we close while you wash your hands?
Yes, we should, because I got to put the other stuff on.
I know.
Okay. So we're going to put ketchup right down the middle here. Oh, yeah. And ketchup chips. I kid you. We are going to...
Macaroni, cheese, and ketchup chips.
Told you. You'll never have one like this.
It's going to be good.
Oh, it's going to be beautiful when it's done.
350-degree oven. Check it in an hour.
Roland, I know your mouth is drooling right now over this. I can tell.
So,
and Angie, I know you love ketchup chips.
Macaroni and cheese meatloaf.
See, the secret really was zesty Dorito chips on top.
But
Peg ate them.
I did. I ate them. You know why I ate them? They weren't for a recipe. They were sitting on the side table where you sit on the couch.
Well,
so
yeah, but I was saving
oh,
so much.
But I didn't know, and they look so good.
They were the star of the video.
It's already 5:49, and you're just starting dinner, and I was hungry.
Well, you're going to be starving now.
So he was sad because I ate his chips for his recipe.
Look at that. Isn't that, are you drooling, guys? Is everybody out there in La La Land drooling? Don't forget, everybody. Good. Hashtag Meatloaf Wars at La La Land Farm. Not farms. Why do I say farms? Homestead. Sorry.
There you go.
I think that's pretty good right there.
You just got to clean off your pan so they don't burn on there.
Yeah.
And then you can dump the grease out. Or there might be a little.
That'd be a good gravy in there, wouldn't it? The grease underneath.
Yeah,
you make a nice gravy for on top.
Hamburger gravy.
Yeah. Ooh. Anything to do with gravy, I'm for it. Oh yeah.
But this isn't my meal, this is yours,
That's
so you'd
okay.
have to make the gravy.
You just tell me how. That's all we need to know.
You already know how.
Yes, I do, but I can't remember because I have an injury.
That card's only playable so much.
So much so far, so good. Okay, I'm just going to use up the little what's left over here.
Awesome.
And then this.
In the oven.
In the oven.
Back in an hour.
Be right back. Okay, so here it is. It's done. I'm just going to cut it now.
Oh, that's a big piece.
I know, but I'm just cutting to see what it's like in the middle. Oh, look at that. Smell it.
Oh,
see, there's noodles.
Very nice.
Just going to take a little taste of it.
Oh, that cheese melted inside.
I know. Let's see the noodles?
Yep.
I can smell it.
It's going to be hot.
Hot. Garlicky. But yeah. You can taste all the flavors coming through. It's good. Oh yeah. I win. Let's face it, guys. And ketchup chips on top.
Macaroni and cheese. Meatloaf.
And cheese, yes. M&J. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Take a look at that. And yet so crunchy on the outside. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, you gotta be kidding me, right? Okay. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And we'll see you next video.
You're going to eat that meatloaf now, aren't you?
I'm gonna.
Because why?
Because I can.
Because it's the best in the world?